Hidup wanita!
Tolak, tolak!
Tolak, tolak!
Tolak rasuah!
Tolak rasuah!
Today, for the coalition of Wanita Suara Perubahan, we are going to basically be sending out gloves to all the adults. And why are we sending out gloves? Gloves for Malaysian women represent the clean government. We want a clean government.
Wanita Suara! Wanita!
We have 6 demands that we want. We want a clean government. We want a safe environment. We want a free and fair elections. And we want to stop violence against women. And we want a better quality of life, equal minimum wage, and the Peaceful Assembly Act to be abolished.
Pinang, mari.
Raja Bersih! Raja Bersih!